Hello friends, in this video I am going to show how to move floating action button to any edge of the screen. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel for more helpful videos. Let's get started. By default, this floating action button of any Flutter application is not draggable. To make it draggable, I will be using package Draggable FAB. This package is really easy to integrate and it supports Android, iOS, web and desktop application. It provides widget to drag floating action button to any edge of the screen. I have already added its dependency in popspec.yaml file. Now let's make change in main.dart file. Here you can see the code of floating action button. Now I want to make it draggable. So let's add code for that. So for that I will be using Draggable FAB widget. Here I will wrap this floating action button within this Draggable FAB widget. Now let's check this floating icon button. It is moving to edge of the screen. If I drag it to center of the screen, it shifts to edge of the screen because this package drag the floating action button to edge of the screen. Now let's check same code for the web application. Here this floating action button is displayed on the web application. Here now I am moving this floating action button. It is moving to edge of the screen. So same thing works in Android, iOS and web also. You can check for desktop application. If you notice here, I just wrap this floating action button inside Draggable FAB widget. No other change is required to make it draggable. That's all for Draggable floating action button. This source code is available on Git. Link is given in the description. If you have any issue or suggestion, please comment below. If you want video on any other topic, please do mention in the comment.